tablet manufacturing never stands still, and neither should your press. That's why Elizabeth engineered the EP200L, built for performance today and ready for the challenges of tomorrow. The EP200L is designed to optimize production with innovation, durability, and precision. Its rotary turret accepts both B and D tooling, giving manufacturers the flexibility to run a wide range of formulations with consistent, high-quality results. With a maximum tablet diameter of up to 22 millimeters, fill depths reaching 18 millimeters, and outputs ranging as high as 18,000 tablets per hour, the EP200L delivers the capacity to meet your production demands with confidence. The EP200L, world-class machinery, trusted engineering, and service you can count on. Connect with our experts now and start optimizing your production with the EP200L. Experience the difference, the Elizabeth difference.